Hi students, today I am going to teach 12th standard physics lesson 1 applications of Gauss law. So already we discussed applications of Gauss law, two applications: electric field infinitely long charged wire, electric field infinite plane sheet, the plane sheet in between and outside the plate. In this section, I am going to explain electric field due to a uniformly charged spherical shell. Case 1. P is a point outside the cell. So, this is uniformly charged sphere. So, this is uniformly charged spherical cell. It contains charge Q. The charge Q is concentrated at the center of the spherical shell. Radius of the spherical shell is R. So consider a Gaussian surface. A Gaussian surface means imaginary sphere. This is called Gaussian surface. P is a point on the Gaussian surface from the center O, distance R. So R is the radius of the Gaussian surface. Capital R is the radius of the spherical shell. So now we are going to find electric field outside the spherical shell at a point P. By using Gauss law, total charge enclosed by the Gaussian surface Q. By using Gauss law, closed integral E vector dot dA vector equal to Q by epsilon naught. So here electric field at a point outside the sphere is same. So E and dA, electric field and area parallel. So E is common taking outside, integral dA equal to Q by epsilon naught. A dA is equal to 4 pi r square. This means total area of the Gaussian surface. So here area of the Gaussian surface is sphere. So radius of the sphere equal to 4 pi r square. That is area of the sphere 4 pi r square. So substitute this dA value in this equation. E 4 pi r square Q by epsilon naught. So E Q by 4 pi epsilon naught r square. In vector form, E vector is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught r square r cap, unit vector. So here Q is charge, Q is greater than 0. Electric field E act radially outward direction from the spherical shell. Q is less than 0. Electric field E radially act inward direction from the spherical shell. So here electric field at a point P outside the spherical shell is same if charge Q is concentrated at the center of the spherical shell. So this is the electric field at a point P due to uniformly spherical shell. Electric field at a point P on the spherical shell. So R equal to R. Here R is the radius of the spherical shell. Q is uniformly distributed on the cell. P is a point on the cell. So small r equal to capital R. This is small r. This is capital R. Now electric field at a point on the spherical shell E equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught r square. So already find outside the shell, that is capital R. Here on the shell, so small r, capital R equals small r. Next case 3, electric field at a point inside the spherical shell. So here P is a point the P point inside the spherical cell. So inside the spherical cell, Gaussian surface encloses no charge. So QV equal to 0. So electric field E equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon R square equal to 0. The electric field due to uniformly charged spherical shell is 0 at all the points inside the cell.